How to cancel your Showmax subscription. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily cancel your Showmax subscription. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Showmax support. And then once you do this, hit enter and it will show you the Showmax support email, which is right here. So you're just going to copy this email address, help@showmax.com. Copy this and you can directly access the help center if this is available on your region. And if this is available, you should be able to get right into the home help page. But if it's like mine right here, and if it's not available on your region, you can go ahead and email them your problem. Tap on Gmail. Now what you're gonna do here is paste the recipient's name, help@showmax.com, and on the subject you are gonna just write in cancel subscription. And then on your body part you're gonna briefly explain why you want to cancel your subscription, and if they reach out to you in a few days, you can contact them via email and proceed to your subscription cancellation. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.